In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Brawl Stars in your PC. The first step that I want you to do is to head in bluestacks.com, since we will be downloading a Android emulator in order for us to play Brawl Stars. After downloading this, you just need to click this download button, and after downloading BlueStacks, head into your BlueStacks application and then click the app player here. As you can see in the app player, this is the system apps. I want you to click the system apps and then click the Play Store. Here we will be searching for Brawl Stars. Click the search bar here. Then type in Brawl Stars. Then click enter. Now you will see here the Brawl Stars and just click the install button. Now as you can see, it is now installing into our desktop device. So just finish this installation, or just wait for this installation, and basically that's it. That's how you can install Brawl Stars in your PC, and thank you for listening.